This is the weather in my area today. It is misty, rainy, definitely not good to go out flying. No drones will be flown outdoors on a day like today. Not good. Can't see very far. So the next best thing to do is, well, fly an FPV drone around my house indoors. Now this one I'm holding in my hands, this is the Blade Inductrix. I bought this in the year 2016, that's when it first came out. And this was a blast. I actually learned how to fly FPV using this drone flying indoors. I don't think you can buy it anymore. It's really, really old. 2016 is a long time ago. And yeah, it runs on a little 1-cell LiPo battery. As you can see, I have 6 in the charger. They're all full, and I have 4 spares here. So I bought a lot of batteries when I first bought this so that I could practice, because one battery, you know, at the best will give you 3 minutes of flight. But now that it's older and these batteries are very old, I might get 1 or 2 minutes of flight time. That's it. So the objective is to go fly this, see if it still works. So I'm going to need a radio. So I'm going to use my little DX6 radio here, power this on. There we go. And the big 2 you see on there, that's so that this will warn me when 2 minutes of flight time is up. Slide the battery in and basically connect it, and it will power on automatically. There we go. Lights are on. That's it. Nothing exciting. Put that down. All right. So if I move the left joystick on here, up and down, the prop should spin. Look at that. Look at that. It still works. So I've got my Fat Sharks here that I'm going to wear to fly this around my house. And the goal is to get this little guy going really fast. Here we go. Let's get some speed. Going through the house and try not to crash. All right, so there I am. Going in front of me, and let's zoom on. See if I can get this going pretty fast. It's only a 1-cell battery, so it won't go too quickly. Watch out for that camera. Oh, that's not too bad. There we go. Don't want to go too high or else I'm going to be scraping the ceiling. Now we're going pretty good. Get that going around my head. Whoa! So this is what you do when you want to learn to fly FPV and it's raining out and it's boring and there's nothing exciting to do. So you fly around your house like this. And if you want, if you reduce the power, I should be able to get it to go low enough to fly underneath tables like this. Go underneath, yes. There we go, go up, go down, too high. All right, so the next thing I'm going to try to do is open the door to my garage and fly out my garage and check out, yeah, see if I can do that. See if the transmission goes that far, and we'll go from that. Oh, it says I have 30 seconds left here. Let's just spin around. Going in my living room here. There I am. I look so excited. What's it like outside? Let's go check that out. There we go. There's my window. Yeah, not looking too good. Whoa, the chair, the puzzle pieces, the GoPro. You really have to have quick reactions when you're flying FPV. And there we're going low on power. Let's go under the table. Whoa, and up. And then back over this way. And let's go land in my lap. Let's see. Over this way, down, over into where my hands are right there. Got it. And that is the joy of FPV on a rainy, dull, windy, misty, cloudy, foggy day. Let's go try something else. All right, get this ready, getting a battery in my little Inductrix. So this time I have to fly it down the hall, well, down through that room, down the hall, out the garage, and outdoors in the wind. So I'm looking at the trees moving here. It could just blow this little guy away, but I'm gonna try to keep it low and not too high so it doesn't blow too far. Okay, maximum 2-minute flight for this. Battery time, here we go. Okay, through my little room. Go through there, nice and fast, going down the hall. Let's try not to wipe out before we even get outside. Give myself some space to get through. Nice. And then I'll spin it around here. And out the door. And here we go. We're going outside. Okay, I'm going to keep it low. I do have a GoPro sitting right on the hood of my car right here. So now I should be in front of the GoPro. Watch the wind take this as soon as I go out the door. Whoa. I am losing reception because we're outside. Look at this. I can still fly it. This is pretty good. Let me see if I can get it down this. I'm going to lose reception here. And some car is going to drive over it soon. Oh, look at this. I can make it to the end of the driveway. Look at that. This is pretty cool. Okay, the wind's got it. It's blowing with the wind. I'm trying my darndest to get it back. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's got to get back. Oh, a car's going to flatten it if it stays out there. Let's get it. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. I've got it full forward. The wind is holding it back. Okay, here it goes.
1 minute
I know. Whoa, that was awesome. That was awesome. All right, back through here. Spin around. Ooh, don't want to go back out there. I want to go this way. And then come on back to me. And that, my dear friends, was my indoor-outdoor flight. Pretty darn cool, eh? Let's break this down. All right, let me put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing here. Pretty darn cool. Things you do when it's a rainy, terrible day to do anything. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if I come up with any other brainstorm ideas what to do on a dull day, then I'll pass them on. One final thing to say, if you're not into FPV racing or freestyle, it's a lot of fun. If you fly camera drones, you really got to get into FPV. As I mentioned, this one's probably not available anymore. This little tiny Whoop came out in 2016. That's when I started with all these real cool little FPV things. And I've grown into much bigger FPV since then, but this is still a lot of fun just to practice and learn on and fly around summer or winter anytime you wish. All right, take care, guys. Catch you in the next video.